In the wood industry in general, wood dryers are an extremely important system, which can provide quality wood products to consumers. The wood gas and fertilizer production industry has contributed to environmental protection and produced quality products at an affordable cost. Have you learned anything about wood dryers? Please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to receive more useful information. Previously, the use of rudimentary tools for wood drying was very time-consuming and labor-intensive. Nowadays, the application of machinery in production has replaced much of the human labor. It not only demonstrates the strong development of science and technology, but also showcases the remarkable manufacturing abilities of humans. To better understand the wood drying process in processing plants, let's watch this video to learn more. Drying wood is an important production process in the wood industry, playing a key role in transforming natural wood materials into products used in daily life. Modern wood mills in Europe are designed and operated according to a closed, state-of-the-art production process with the highest quality standards. The wood drying process includes many different steps, starting with the transportation of the raw materials to the mill. The wood is carefully selected and must meet standards for quality, moisture content, and size to ensure that the drying process is efficient and the output meets the required standards. After being transported to the mill, the wood is processed and cut into suitable pieces for the next step in the milling process. The milling machine is equipped with a crane conveyor to feed the crushed wood into a large capacity drying system, which can be seen as a massive drying system in the mill. The crushed wood chips are then conveyed to the drying system with different moisture ratios and a closed process. The wood is dried to meet the required output standards. The Stronger wood drying plant is one of the modern and high-quality wood drying plants in Europe. This plant is designed to dry wood using advanced technology and efficient production processes. With a large wood capacity, this wood drying plant uses modern transportation equipment to move wood through each step of the production process. Wood is carefully selected to ensure that the quality of the output product meets the highest quality standards. After being transported to the plant, wood is processed and prepared for drying according to a strict temperature and humidity control process. The drying process is monitored by automated control systems and modern machinery to ensure that the process is efficient and that the output product is of the highest quality. With enormous capacity and advanced drying technology, the final stages of production are completed without any errors in the production phase. You see, equipping modern machinery in the wood production industry is extremely important. Wood is divided into different types to serve different needs, so grinding wood in proportion is extremely important. If wood compression is required, it must be ground into small pieces to increase the efficiency of the product. The grinding system is also divided according to function. As you can see, there is a difference in the ground product on both sides of the machine. The crane machines are essential for this process. Using them will reduce the use of human labor and shorten the production time effectively. The massive drying system operates at full capacity, using a closed process and automated system. Wood fragments are crushed and finely dried on the conveyor belt until they become sawdust. This product only needs to undergo the final stage to become an excellent consumer product. With advanced designs, the process of grinding raw wood into fine sawdust ensures that impurities no longer exist. The image of billowing smoke shows the enormous grinding capacity. It is amazing how machines have replaced human labor in the production process. The powerful rotating system and modern conveyor belts are a perfect combination in the wood grinding industry. The pre-programmed automatic control panel is extremely important in wood grinding production. The use of manual labor in the wood production process still occurs in Africa, where skilled workers use their strong hands to feed the system with small wood fragments onto the conveyor belt. We can now take a tour of the production system of the factory. The worker at the final stage before packaging checks the quality of the output product to ensure that it is of high quality and meets standards for end users. For wood product manufacturing plants, the grinding process is an important step to ensure the quality and smoothness of the final product. With this machine, the process is carried out quickly and effectively to produce high-quality, smooth wood products. That's the end of our video. Wasn't it interesting and informative? The video helped you gain more knowledge about the wood production industry in general, and specifically about wood drying machines. It showed the amazing features of the production process. So, to learn more about the wood production industry, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.